Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome to the Explore Life channel. Today, we're diving into the world of calcium, debunking myths, and uncovering plant-based alternatives. Because let's be honest, while a cold glass of milk might be a childhood staple, it's not the only way or even the best way to get this crucial nutrient. Do you know that over 40% of the world's population doesn't get enough calcium? Why is calcium so crucial? Our bodies rely heavily on this mineral for building and maintaining strong bones and teeth. Think of calcium as the building block for your skeletal structure, ensuring you stand tall and move with strength. Beyond skeletal health, calcium is vital for heart, muscle, and nerve function. It's like an electrical conductor, facilitating the transmission of signals that keep your body running smoothly. Essentially, it's a cornerstone of our well-being. So if you're ready to explore the world of plant-based calcium and discover how to fortify your diet with delicious alternatives, stick around. Let's start with leafy green vegetables. They're calcium powerhouses too. Take kale for instance. A single cup of cooked kale contains approximately 100 milligrams of calcium. Next on our leafy green lineup is spinach. With 240 milligrams per cup when cooked, it's serious about bone health. Moving on to collard greens, a single cooked cup provides a whopping 266 milligrams. And let's not forget bok choy, contributing 160 milligrams of calcium per cooked cup. The world of leafy greens offers a diverse range of flavors and textures, all while providing a substantial dose of calcium. Next up, let's dive into the sea. Fish like sardines and salmon are fantastic sources of calcium, especially when you eat the bones. Imagine yourself by the ocean, the salty air invigorating your senses as you watch fishing boats return with their catch. Among the treasures from the sea, sardines and salmon stand out not just for their flavor but also for their impressive calcium content. Now I know what you might be thinking, eating bones, but trust me on this one. When it comes to sardines, those tiny soft bones are practically unnoticeable, especially when they're packed in oil or sauce. And the calcium boost they provide is well worth it. A 3.75-ounce can of sardines, which is a standard serving size, packs a remarkable 325 milligrams of calcium. That's almost your entire daily requirement in one convenient and tasty package. If sardines aren't your cup of tea, canned salmon with bones is another excellent option. While fresh salmon is undoubtedly delicious, opting for canned salmon with bones significantly increases its calcium content. A 3-ounce serving of canned salmon with bones provides 181 milligrams of calcium. That's a considerable amount for a relatively small serving size. The beauty of both sardines and canned salmon is their versatility. You can add them to salads for a boost of protein and calcium, toss them with pasta for a satisfying and nutritious meal, or simply enjoy them straight from the can as a quick and easy snack. Adding these fish to your diet not only increases your calcium intake, but also provides a wealth of other essential nutrients. Sardines and salmon are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. They are also excellent sources of protein, vitamin D, and selenium, making them nutritional powerhouses. So, next time you're looking for a tasty and convenient way to boost your calcium intake, consider adding sardines and canned salmon with bones to your grocery list. Your body will thank you for it. So go ahead, explore the depths of flavor and nutrition that these calcium-rich fish have to offer. Fortified foods. Sneak in calcium with every sip and bite. Fortified foods are another excellent way to get calcium. Imagine yourself starting your day with a refreshing glass of orange juice or enjoying a bowl of cereal, knowing that you're not just satisfying your taste buds but also nourishing your body with an extra boost of calcium. That's the beauty of fortified foods. They seamlessly incorporate essential nutrients into your diet without requiring major dietary overhauls. Let's start with plant-based milk. Whether you prefer the nutty flavor of almond milk, the creamy texture of soy milk, or the subtle sweetness of rice milk, there's a fortified option for you. Many plant-based milk brands understand the importance of calcium and fortify their products to provide a comparable amount to cow's milk. On average, you can expect to find around 300 milligrams of calcium per cup of fortified plant-based milk. However, it's always a good idea to check the labels, as calcium content can vary depending on the brand and type of plant-based milk. Speaking of fortification, let's not forget about orange juice. This breakfast staple is often fortified with calcium and vitamin D, making it a convenient and delicious way to start your day with a nutritional boost. Similar to plant-based milk, fortified orange juice typically contains around 300 milligrams of calcium per cup. But the fortification fun doesn't stop there. Many cereal brands also fortify their products with calcium, along with other vitamins and minerals. From crispy rice cereals to fiber-rich oat bran, you can find a fortified cereal that suits your taste and dietary preferences. However, the calcium content in fortified cereals can vary significantly, ranging from 100 to a whopping 1,000 milligrams per serving. That's right, you could potentially meet your entire daily calcium requirement with a single bowl of cereal. Of course, it's essential to check the nutrition labels carefully and choose cereals that align with your overall dietary goals. Chapter 4. Legumes and Nuts. Small but mighty calcium heroes. Don't forget about legumes and nuts. They're small but mighty when it comes to calcium. Imagine yourself opening a bag of mixed nuts and seeds, the aroma filling the air with a symphony of earthy and roasted scents. Or perhaps you're scooping a spoonful of creamy hummus, its savory flavors tantalizing your taste buds. These humble foods, often enjoyed as snacks or incorporated into main courses, are unsung heroes in the world of plant-based calcium. Let's begin with legumes, a diverse group that includes beans, lentils, and peas. Among these, white beans stand out as a top source of calcium. A single cup of cooked white beans provides an impressive 161 milligrams of calcium. Whether you add them to soups, stews, or salads, white beans are a versatile and delicious way to boost your calcium intake. Next on our legume lineup are chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans. These nutty and slightly sweet beans are the base for hummus, a popular dip enjoyed worldwide. While chickpeas might not be as calcium-rich as white beans, they still contribute a respectable amount, with 80 milligrams per cooked cup. Now let's move on to the world of nuts, where almonds reign supreme in terms of calcium content. These crunchy and satisfying nuts are not just a tasty snack, they're also a good source of calcium, providing 76 milligrams per ounce. Whether you enjoy them on their own, add them to trail mixes, or incorporate them into baked goods, almonds are a delicious and convenient way to sneak in some extra calcium. Chapter 5. Tofu and edamame, your plant-based calcium duo. Tofu lovers rejoice. Calcium-set tofu is a superstar with 350 milligrams per half cup. And don't forget the edamame, 98 milligrams per cooked cup. These are great in salads or as a snack. Imagine yourself stepping into a bustling Asian market, the air filled with a symphony of aromas and the vibrant colors of fresh produce. Among the culinary treasures you'll find tofu and edamame, two soy-based staples celebrated not just for their versatility, but also for their impressive calcium content. Let's start with tofu, a culinary chameleon that effortlessly absorbs flavors and textures, making it a beloved ingredient in cuisines worldwide. But here's the catch. Not all tofu is created equal when it comes to calcium. To maximize your calcium intake, opt for calcium-set tofu, which uses calcium sulfate as a coagulant. This type of tofu boasts an impressive 350 milligrams of calcium per half cup, making it a top contender in the plant-based calcium world. Whether you enjoy it, crumbled in stir-fries, baked, or scrambled, calcium-set tofu is a delicious and nutritious way to boost your calcium intake. But the soy-based calcium party doesn't stop there. Edamame, which are essentially immature soybeans, also deserve a place on your calcium-rich shopping list. These bright green pods, often enjoyed as a snack or appetizer, offer a delightful crunch and a subtle, nutty flavor. While they might not be as calcium-dense as their tofu counterpart, edamame still contributes a respectable 98 milligrams per cooked cup. They're also an excellent source of protein, fiber, and other essential nutrients, making them a healthy and satisfying addition to your diet. So whether you're a seasoned tofu enthusiast or new to the world of soy-based products, incorporating calcium-set tofu and edamame into your meals is a smart and delicious way to nourish your body with this vital mineral. From savory stir-fries to refreshing salads, the possibilities for incorporating tofu and edamame into your diet are endless. There you have it! A variety of delicious and nutritious foods can help you meet your calcium needs without relying on milk. Remember, incorporating a mix of these foods into your diet will not only keep your bones strong but also add some exciting flavors to your meals. From leafy greens to fortified foods, from the treasures of the sea to the humble legume, the plant kingdom offers an abundance of calcium-rich options to nourish your body and support your overall well-being. Embrace the diversity, experiment with flavors, and discover your favorite ways to enjoy these plant-based calcium champions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments below how you like to get your calcium. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.